Hey guys, this is Edward from WPL. So what you're looking at here is the D42. Our last release is the D12 and suddenly jumped to D42 because you guys have been asking for this WAN body for quite some time already. So we listened to you guys and then jump straight to the D42, which is a WAN body. Currently, due to the pandemic, I'm unable to return to China yet, so I've got the staff to unbox this and make a video to show you guys. And don't worry, this open unit will be for myself. We should arrive by early November. I'll be able to do a more detailed unboxing because there are a lot of things that I would like to tell you guys. So in this new version, receiver board is entirely new as well due to the chip shortage. We're using new chip and there are new hidden functions within this receiver as well for future models. So it's a 2-wheel drive. Gearbox is revised as well. I was told by Huang that gear is thicker by now, although we have not received any complaint regarding issue with the gears. On D12, you just turn it on and then it will bind itself. On this model, once you turn on remote and the car, you have to steer steering to left or right to bind it to the car. So same chassis beneath with a minor adjustment. Wheelbase is around 10 mm shorter than the D12. Otherwise, chassis is the same. The body is different. Manual comes in Chinese and English. Alright, so you can start ordering now. You can check out the link in the description. First day is open to all the founders, which is like a VIP program. By now, when you are watching this video, you can really start ordering. Please be fast. As usual, we'll ship your item with premium shipping plus thick shipping box to protect your WPL inside. So click the link in the description and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.